Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited guys. I'm always excited, by the way. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like and share. Please, I am begging you guys, this is not just a song we are singing. Please do subscribe and like this video. It's very important for our channel. Okay, if you want to be seeing videos like this, please encourage me just by liking this video, sharing and subscribing to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed a 4x4 closure wig, which this beautiful lady brought from she got it from another wig maker here in China. I'm going to talk about it in the video as you watch. Please guys, stay to the end and learn and you will learn a lot from the video. For the old ones, I love you all, and please keep sharing so that we can hit 10k before my birthday in September guys. In more than a month time I'll be 29, so give me that wish. I really appreciate that. Thanks, and let's get straight into the video. This wig comes in a very beautiful silk package with a wig cap, thank you note, elastic bands and everything. And she wrote something I couldn't read. So this is how the wig looked like. It is hand sewn, and I think she used like 2 bundles and a closure or something like that. So I ended up braiding my client's hair, and yeah, I did my mini ball cap method, which I will link the video how to do your ball cap in the card at your right hand. So she sent the wig without bleaching nor plucking the knot, so I have to customize the wig before wearing. So I'll also link a video on how to pluck your wig on the card up, or check my description box on how to pluck your wig. So when you're done plucking, you go ahead and install your wig. This is how it looks like after plucking. So I had to cut the lace. Since it's a 4x4, no need to cut on the client's head, so I had to cut it off the client's head, and I will use makeup that matches the client's skin beneath the lace, and then spray a gauze to be spray so that the makeup should last longer on. So I have so many videos which I will link the playlist on this card at your right hand. You will have to watch those videos on how I actually install my wig. So I'll use like 3 layers of gauze bond, or maybe any adhesive you have, but this is the one I'm using on this video is the bolt hole active. So I'll place her lace where the glue was, and then I press it with my elastic band, and then I'll go ahead and sew the back part of her wig, then proceed with styling the wig. So I will actually use the Got to Be spray on the hairline and then tie it with my rubber band to get that melt, guys. So, and then I will use my finger to like scatter, because she wants like a big hairstyle, like she wants volume. So I'll just use my fingers to scatter the curls. Since we want the wig to look like it's a frontal, but it's not, I'm going to use my hot comb, which I always recommend my clients to get, to create the path and also press the roots of the closure. So you just watch as I do. Make sure you press just the root. Don't try to scatter all the curls of the curls. Just press the root and finger comb the upper part of the curls, and then go ahead and do your baby hairs. When you're done doing your baby hairs, you use makeup to define your path, and boom, guys, this is the end result. Tell me if you still need a frontal in 2020. Just tell me. And guys, there's this thing going on in China. We have shortage of lace closures and frontal. So if in case you want to buy a lace frontal and you can't find it, you can also do something with your lace closure, you know. You can always come back to this video to watch. So guys, what do you think about this? Do you want me to make videos like this again? Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.